Hey folks, welcome back to another great day on the Pecos. Fall colors were in rare form, and so were the fish.
Yeah. Come on. Slide on up here. There we go. Alright. Oh. Oh, he's not going to cooperate, huh? He's not going to play well. Alright. Let's give him some slack on the bottom of the net. And we'll lose the gloves. Alright. There we go. Oh, come on. There we go. Perfect. Alright. Alright, now roofing them out. Alright. First fish of the day. Pretty little guy. Uh-oh. And there goes my glove. Ugh. Alright. Let's see if we can put one up here. There he is. Alright. Come on out of there, big fella. Oh. Alright. Oh, looks like it might be a brown this one. Alright. Nice little guy. Oh, he's on the a little caddis here. Alright. Pretty fish. There he goes. Alright. Pretty fish. Oh, it's just too good not to have something sitting in there. Alright, get this little guy over here, see what we can come up with. Alright, see what he's got in store. There he is. And there he goes. Another little brown. far the browns are ahead. Oh, looks like they're going to stay that way. Oh, might be a little rainbow. Let's get him to the net. If he could cooperate. There we go. Nope, that's a brown. Alright. Yeah. Yeah. Right in the schnoz. That'll teach you. There you go. Stop picking on bugs your own size. There he is. I was beginning to have my doubts about the caddis there for a minute. Yeah. Come on over here, big fella. Atta boy. All right. Alrighty. Well, we found another rainbow. Alright. There we go. Oh, he's a pretty one. And them winter colors set up well. Alright. There you go, buddy. Yep, straight back down into the current. That rock is tricky. There he is. Alright. Come on up here, big boy. Oh. Come on. Come on up here. Oh. My netting skills hold true. Ah, there we go. Alright. That's a nice little brown. Alright. Chubby little boy. Yeah. There you go, kill it. There we go. This little guy. Super simple to tie. Tie it with a alpaca here. And a little bit of green dubbing. Work tighten a dubbing loop around the head. Yeah. I usually do a little green tinsel around the body. I'll put a picture in there. So, yeah. And you may have noticed a smaller bead, but I led the tar out of that body. So another day on the Pecos. Yep, fish were definitely not as plentiful, but we still managed to catch a few. I think the caddis pattern above all was definitely king for the day. Water temps are obviously this time of year freezing cold, but we did see small hatches coming off later in the afternoon when the sun came up, was hitting the water steady. So that was kind of cool. No dry fly action though. Yeah, it was just all in all a great day. Flows were right around 66 when I checked them this morning, so I'm going to assume they're a little bit down from that this afternoon. But completely amazing. I appreciate you folks for sticking around, watching till the end, and please be safe and tight lines.